FlowSense opens with a clean workspace sign-in for door flow, built specifically for doors and frames installation ERP. Users can log in with their credentials or jump in as a predefined role, so directors, project managers, and site engineers each land in the right operating view. After signing in, the dashboard gives Tony a fast read on the whole business. Key metrics like doors installed, orders, cast percentage, and site health sit alongside lifecycle and install versus planned charts, helping leaders spot progress and risk immediately. The projects area turns every job into a trackable portfolio card. Each project shows active counts, contract value, door quantity, and completion percentage, so teams can compare site performance without digging through spreadsheets. Inside project management, the project creation and setup screen defines the foundation of the job. Here, you attach the client, location, contract details, and lifecycle dates, which keeps every downstream workflow tied to the correct project record. Site allocation lets the team register buildings and attach them to the active project. Breaking a project into towers, floors, and sites creates the structure that later drives surveys, BOQs, procurement, execution, and billing. Project status tracking summarizes where the selected project stands today. The team can see the current stage, total doors, and next milestone, making it easier to keep stakeholders aligned on schedule and scope. The site survey dashboard brings field data onto a map with live GPS context. Survey coverage, captured openings, pending items, and photo counts make it clear how complete the measurement effort is across locations. Measurement capture is where surveyors record opening level details such as width, height, wall condition, and related measurements. Because each record is linked to a survey site and floor, the office team receives structured data instead of scattered notes. Photo upload adds visual proof to the survey process. Field teams can attach site photos to each surveyed opening, giving estimators and project managers the context they need before drawings, BOQs, or production decisions are made. Survey summary approval gives managers a controlled checkpoint before survey data moves forward. Measurements can be reviewed against tolerances and approved item by item, reducing costly rework caused by incomplete or incorrect field capture. BOQ and planning converts the project structure into a live bill of quantities. Door counts, floor breakdowns, contract value, material mix, and procurement readiness all appear together, so planning stays connected to real site scope. The BOQ entry screen is used to enter door quantities and types per scope area. Teams can create new records and classify doors accurately, ensuring pricing, procurement, and installation plans all start from the same approved quantities. Floor and room structure defines the building hierarchy in more detail. By adding buildings, floors, and rooms, FlowSense creates a practical map of where every door will eventually be supplied, installed, inspected, and billed. Basic approval acts as the green light before procurement begins. The checklist confirms survey verification, door types, specifications, and rates, so purchasing teams do not act on incomplete commercial information. Procurement starts with the vendor list, where approved suppliers for frames, doors, ironmongery, glass, and hardware are maintained. Ratings, terms, status, and approvals help buyers choose reliable vendors quickly. This vendor view reinforces supplier governance by keeping vendor records active, reviewed, and category specific. When supplier information is centralized, procurement decisions become faster and more consistent across every project. Purchase orders turn approved requirements into supplier commitments. Each PO shows vendor, item count, amount, and status, giving the procurement team a clear view of what has been raised, received, or remains in transit. Material stock in and out records the movement of materials as they arrive or leave inventory. Tracking quantities and statuses here helps prevent gaps between what was ordered, what was received, and what is available for site execution. Material consumption connects issued materials to actual project usage. By tracking consumed quantity against doors, floors, or tasks, FlowSense creates traceability from stock ledger to installed work. Logistics begins with dispatch creation, where materials are assigned to vehicles and sent to sites. Dispatch number, destination, vehicle, item list, and delivery status are visible in one place for operational control. This dispatch workspace gives coordinators a repeatable way to release materials from stores to site. Approvals and status tags help ensure that every shipment is documented before it leaves the warehouse. Delivery status follows each dispatch through checkpoints such as warehouse dispatch, transit, and arrival at site. Milestones make delays visible early, so site teams know what is coming and procurement teams can intervene when needed. Execution tracking presents installation work as a live board. Doors move through stages like not started, in progress, installed, QC pending, and completed, giving managers a visual way to drive daily production. Task assignment focuses on assigning door-level work to crews or owners. Cards can be created and moved from unassigned to assigned and accepted, making accountability clear before installation begins. Progress update captures the status of each door as work advances. Teams can update cards from not started to in progress or done, keeping the office aligned with real site activity. Issue reporting logs blockers and site problems against the relevant task. Open issues can be reviewed and approved, ensuring delays are visible and traceable instead of buried in calls or messages. Returning to the execution board, managers can see how individual doors are distributed across the install lifecycle. This board view is especially useful for daily stand-ups because it shows bottlenecks by status at a glance. In the door-level assignment view, work is broken down into manageable cards for specific door sets. This keeps responsibility close to the actual unit of work, which improves follow-up and reduces missed installations. The progress update view gives installation teams a simple way to report what changed today. Because updates are tied to project, tower, and door records, reporting remains structured and auditable. Issue reporting provides the escalation layer for execution. Any opening clearance problem, material shortfall, or site dependency can be logged with a status, helping managers remove obstacles faster. Quality control introduces inspection with photo verification and one-tap approval. Inspectors can review a door, compare visual evidence, and score compliance, making quality a built-in part of the workflow rather than an afterthought. The QC checklist formalizes inspection criteria for installed doors. Items like frame plumb, level, and reveal consistency can be checked off, giving every inspector the same standard for approval. Approve or reject tasks turns inspection results into action. Passed items move forward, while failed checks can be sent back for correction, protecting handover quality and customer confidence. Progress tracking rolls up door-level activity into site completion metrics. The status chart shows how much work is surveyed, procured, installed, and completed, giving leadership a reliable progress snapshot. Door-level status tracking offers a live view of each phase in the door lifecycle. This helps project teams understand whether delays are coming from survey, procurement, installation, or completion, rather than guessing from partial updates. Completion count per site compares progress across different locations within the project. With completion percentages shown side by side, managers can prioritize teams and materials where they will have the biggest impact. Billing brings commercial control into the same operational system. RA bill values, pending approval, release on handover, and collection rate show finance teams exactly how site progress is converting into revenue. Invoice generation creates structured invoices from approved work. Each invoice record shows project, door count, amount, and status, helping commercial teams bill accurately and reduce manual reconciliation. Payment tracking monitors receipts against raised invoices. References, amounts, dates, and pending statuses make it easier to follow up collections and protect cash flow. Approved quantity billing ensures only QC-approved quantities are billed. This connects quality, execution, and finance, so invoices reflect verified work rather than estimated progress. Workforce gives managers visibility into crews, attendance, productivity, and daily installation output. By combining people and production data, FlowSense helps teams understand whether capacity is aligned with project targets. The worker list maintains the people working across sites. Crew, site, door count, and attendance status make it simple to manage availability and approvals from a single screen. Site assignment allocates crews to specific projects or locations. This board-style view shows which teams are assigned to which site, helping planners balance workload and avoid crew conflicts. Basic attendance records daily workforce presence in a simple visual format. Attendance percentages by day help supervisors identify gaps that could affect productivity and installation schedules. Analytics summarizes project progress across the portfolio. The dashboard highlights on track, at risk, and delayed work, so leadership can focus attention where it matters most. Project Progress Summary compares completion across projects such as Aurelia Business, the Nilaya, Signet Tech, and others. This high-level view helps management benchmark performance and quickly identify underperforming jobs. Cost versus Revenue Overview connects operational progress to financial outcomes. By comparing tracked cost with billed revenue, FlowSense helps teams protect margins while projects are still in motion. The final screen brings us to the FlowSense demo request page, where prospects can schedule a personalized walkthrough. It connects the product story to the next step, seeing how the ERP fits your own manufacturing and installation workflow. Book your demo today.